Hi, Dr. Q here from Star Nursery. Today we are going to address some of the most frequently asked questions I get about fall gardening. One of the most often asked questions is which vegetables should I plant this time of year? The cool season varieties that do best here are things like cabbage, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and spinach. Along with these and many other leafy crops, now is also a good time to plant root crops like beets, turnips, rutabagas, onions, and radishes. As always, make sure to use plenty of good organic mulch when you plant, like Dr. Q's vegetable and herb mix. Another question that I get this time of year is, when do I cut back my roses? Right now is a good time to trim back your roses. Trim off all the brown, stressed growth from this summer's heat. Also cut back about 20 to 25% of the overall size of the plant to make it more even shape. This will prevent all the new fall growth from coming out only on the ends of the old branches. However, you should not cut them back as severely as you should do in January. At that time, you can cut them back to 12 to 18 inches and strip all the leaves off to force them into dormancy. Another good question is, should I fertilize my plants this late in the year? You should fertilize all of your established plants right now. Plants need to have the nutrients in the soil replenished after the summer stress and frequent waterings that have depleted them. Another good question, is it a good time to put in new plants? And the answer to this one is also a definite yes. This is our fall growing season, and fall is the best time to plant most plants in our climate. Planting now gives plants a head start on getting better prepared to handle the summer stress next year. Fall is definitely for planting all kinds of plants. Even colorful bedding plants like pansies, violas, English primrose, ornamental kale, stocks, and snapdragons will do very well during the colder months. So don't be afraid to plant from now until the first frost. And don't forget to use plenty of good organic mulch or compost. The organic material will help to condition the soil for healthier plant growth and help to insulate the soil to prevent cold damage to the new roots. For more information on this topic, visit us at starnursery.com or on our free app. And don't forget, we make house calls. Visit your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. I'm Dr. Q, and I'll see you next week.